This is the story of a small boy from Rosario, Argentina. A boy who was told he was too weak, too small, too fragile to ever play football. Yet, with courage and sacrifice, he rose to become the greatest of all time. This is the journey of Lionel Messi. From the moment he could walk, Messi carried a ball at his feet, playing in the streets with a dream bigger than himself. But life tested him early. At the age of 11, he was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency. His family couldn't afford the costly treatment, and his dreams seemed too far to reach. Yet destiny had plans. When FC Barcelona saw his talent, they offered him not just a chance to play, but also to cover his treatment. Leaving behind his home and childhood friends, Messi moved to Spain at just 13, carrying nothing but hope, courage, and an unshakable love for football. It was the start of a journey where sacrifice would turn into greatness. Messi's rise was not instant. His small frame made many doubt him, but his skill, vision, and determination silenced critics. At Barcelona, he grew into a legend, winning titles, breaking records, and becoming the heart of the team. But Messi's true power was not just in goals, it was in his resilience. He turned struggles into strength and failures into fuel. For Argentina, the journey was harder. Years of heartbreak and criticism followed him, but Messi never gave up on his country. Messi's story didn't stop with Barcelona. In 2021, after more than 20 unforgettable years, financial struggles forced him to leave the club he called home. With tears in his eyes, he said goodbye, showing the world that even legends face heartbreak. Soon, he joined Paris Saint-Germain, proving his hunger to keep challenging himself. Yet, the one thing missing was international glory. For years, he came so close with Argentina, only to fall short, carrying the weight of a nation's expectations. Critics doubted him, but Messi never gave up. Then came 2021, when he lifted the Copa America, his first major trophy for Argentina. The world witnessed his tears of joy, and millions of fans cried with him. But destiny had one last gift. In 2022, Messi led Argentina to World Cup glory in Qatar. At 35, he fulfilled his lifelong dream, cementing his place as the greatest. Holding the golden trophy high, Messi wasn't just a footballer, he was hope, perseverance, and proof that dreams come true. His journey reminds us, greatness isn't about talent alone. It's about never giving up, even when the world doubts you. Messi's legacy is eternal, forever inspiring generations to chase their dreams.